Hello everyone, and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we'll try to explore one more new topic, and this is related to the Outlook mail. So basically, let me open the Outlook. So when you see Outlook, so I'm having the data like this. So I have the one data table which is in the format of data table format. So now the thing is, I want to extract this data. So we'll see how we can extract this data with the help of UiPath. So let me go back to the studio. And the first step, so as usual, so we need to get this Outlook activities. So I'm using here Outlook. So just type Outlook and take this get Outlook mail messages. So whatever the mails are available, so those are saving into the one variable. So storing into this activity. So go to this properties and I'm removing this checkbox. So filtering I'm not putting. So as of now, I'm taking only the first item. So I need only the first item and storing into the one variable which we called mails. Okay. So after this, I want to loop it. If you have one, you can directly launch it or you can use the for loop. So anyway, I'm using this for loop for the multiple types. And here I'm assigning this mails. So now the thing is, so let me go back to Outlook. So I want to save this file. So once I save this file, then only I'm able to extract. So by seeing this view, so we cannot able to extract. So there is a one certain format is there already pre-built available in Outlook. So let me go and take that activity. So let me take that activity. So the name is save Outlook. Some name is there. Yeah, save Outlook message. Just drag and drop again. So once you drag and drop here, so we can see this mail. So what is a mail? So current item. Okay, where you want to save. So I want to save this particular location. So let me go to this location coding files and here I will save this. So let me go to here, the output. So I want to save here and I make it name as, let me mails. I want to store inside of this folder. So I'm just copying this path and I will update it. So in this path, I want to save. So here, where every time I want to get some different subjects, no? So that's why I will just update here subject name as well. Plus, what is my name? Subject means I'm just taking this current item dot subject. So this is my file name. So it should be saved like this. And once you come here downside, we can see this format. So we have the multiple formats. So if you want to extract the data, so we need to use this format MHT. Okay, if you have already that file is existed, just replace it. So now we'll just run this one, how it will look like. Okay, let me run this. We need to check whether it's downloading that attachment in the particular folder or not, and we need to see what type of attachment is moving. So let it run. So okay, execution has been completed. Now going to the path. So this is my path. So the file has been downloaded and we can see this format is MHT. So let me go and search what is a MHT in Google. So just I'm typing MHT format file. I think it's an extension of HTML. So we can see this. What is MHT file means? It's a file which having the MHT extensions. It's similar to HTML web page. So the file once you open this, so we can see in the format of web view. So this is a file in the format of web view. So from this web view, so we can see this data, how we can get this accurately. The same thing we can see this in the instead of Outlook, we are able to see in the web format. So now the next what we need to do now, so we need to just go and use the scraping. So just click on that next. Okay, I think its extension has not been enabled. So let me go and enable this extensions settings and we need to enable that extensions UiPath plugins and Edge browser already it's there. Maybe that. Add-in is not available, so let me add that add-in. So I want to add that add-in. There is extensions, manage extensions, and I will take this UiPath. Just I will copy and paste it, and I will add here. So I have added these extensions as well. So let me allow in private and all sites. We are done. So everything is done. So let me close this file and reopen that. We'll see whether we can able to extract the data or not. We'll see. So let me try this. Click on that next. Okay, now we can see this. So we are able to extract. So now I will just click on this. After you can see this, you can select that as table cells. Just hold the table. So just click on that, and we can see all the data has been extracted. So just click on that finish. So I don't have any multiple pages. Just I will click on it. No. So now this is done. So let me put outside of this, and I will create this table. Control K. So extracted table. So this is done. So now the problem is, so I don't know how many files it will available. So might be the one file or might be multiple files. So for that we need to use this for each activity. So I'm taking this for each activity. I will apply here. Inside for each activity, I will put this, and I want to get this file name. So for that we need to use directory dot get files, and I need to give this path. So this is my path. Maybe if you get multiple things, so it will extract all the things. So let me update this. So this is done. So now the next step, so we want to open this. So with the help of application, open application or yeah, open application. Let me try this. Okay, not this. Mm, start. Yeah, so we can use this start process. So let me update this process. So my process is available in this current item. So just updating this current item dot to string. So it will open that particular item, and we need to extract this data. So this should be the outside of this attached browser. So it will open. After that, we need to give this some delay. So let me give this delay as well. So I will give some delay, couple of seconds, maybe 7 seconds. I'm giving as of now. So 7 seconds is enough. So once this is done, so I want to save this file now. So just I'm taking one more activity which we call write trains workbook. So outside of this browser, attached browser. So I want the path. So as of now, I'm updating the manual the thing path. So just update this path, and I'm giving the file name as test xlxx dot xlsx. This is file path, and sheet name is sheet one, and data table is extra topic. Maybe this is not in the scope. Let me change this variable scope, and I am updating here extract data table. So now these are the steps which has been completed. So now I will go and delete. It's fine, or else if you anyway we given it's replace existing one, so it will replace anything is fine. So let me close this, and I will run end to end. So we'll see how it will works. So if in case if you have multiple types of table formats, so as of now I have the only three columns and multiple rows, which is in the same format. So if you get five columns that one, then we need to read again that everything needs to done. So let me go back this. Okay, still executing or okay, execution has been completed. Now I'm going to this C. So just opening the text. Okay. So what is our input which in the mail? So we have this serial number subject. Let me copy this and I will update two sets of this. The same data we can extract in the Excel form. So this is the way how we can extract the data. So which we are getting input as in a data table from Outlook. I mean, we are getting the data in Outlook in the format of table format. The same data we need to extract and update into the Excel or where you want, you can update it. It's not a big deal. So this is the way how we can extract the data. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.